Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a short, manageable passage so you can linger on each phrase. Once chosen, clear distractions and set a 10-20-minute timer. Brief silence helps you hear rather than read. Pray a concise request for understanding and humility. This orients your heart. Then read the passage slowly once for sense, and a second time aloud to feel cadence and emphasis. Make sure to jot initial impressions in a notebook, focusing on words that stick. Now move from reading into observation and reflection. You note repeated words, commands, contrasts, or surprising images. These are anchors. Once identified, ask applied questions. Who is speaking? What is promised? Why does it matter to you today? Reflect aloud or write a paraphrase of the core sentence to make it personal. Then craft one concrete response. A changed thought, a specific action, or a prayer. Make sure to tie that response directly to a phrase. Finish by choosing one verse to memorize. Repeat it aloud 3 times and rest it in your mind. Once memorized, meditate by bringing the key phrase into ordinary moments, commute, chores, or before sleep, letting it shape your desires. Apply it by planning one measurable step this week that reflects the verse. If you struggle with distraction or dryness, shorten future sessions to 5 focus minutes, return to a single verse, and pray for renewed attention. This rebuilds rhythm without pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.